Number 4. Mrs. Williams lived in a small street in London, and now she had a new neighbour. Her name was Mrs. Briggs, and she talked a lot about her expensive furniture, her beautiful carpets, and her new kitchen. "Do you know," she said to Mrs. Williams one day, "I've got a new dishwasher. It washes the plates and glasses and knives and forks beautifully." "Oh?" Mrs. Williams answered. "And does it dry them and put them in the cupboard too?" Mrs. Briggs was surprised. "Well," she answered, "the things in the machine are dry after an hour, but it doesn't put them away, of course." "I've had a dishwasher for 12.5 years, Mrs. Williams said. "Oh?" Mrs. Briggs answered. "And does yours put the things in the cupboard when it has washed them?" She laughed nastily. "Yes, he does," Mrs. Williams answered. "He dries the dishes and puts them away."
Now answer these questions. Number 1. Where did Mrs. Briggs live? Number 2. Why was Mrs. Briggs surprised? Number 3. Did Mrs. Briggs's dishwasher dry the plates and other things? Number 4. Did it put them away? Number 5. Did Mrs. Williams's dishwasher put the things in the cupboard? Number 6. Who was Mrs. Williams's dishwasher?